Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we will understand what are the main advantages we have in use of Java 8, right? So mostly in the interview will ask you what is the main advantage in Java 8, right? Means why we are using Java 8, what is the features we have in the Java 8, right? That thing. So we have already seen the new features. Now let's understand what are the main advantages of using Java 8, right? So if you are using Java 8, means the more advantage we have is like more compact code we have less boiler code plate, more readable and reusable code, and more testable code and parallel operations. How I'm saying that this is more readable and reusable code, how is less boiler codes are there, that we will see later in the video, right? Because if you have already gone through the Java 8, right, you may have seen how regular expression works, how instead of map, how you are using stream filter, right? How you are using how you're using map on the stream. So those makes the code little compact and less boilerplate codes, and that is why it become more readable and reusable code. And if we will talk about testable, it's also become more testable code. How the parallel operations works, that is also we'll see in the further videos. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video till now. If you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box.